Hello everyone, I'm Alec from Shanghai KUKA Cable. Today, I'm going to introduce you the battery storage cables. They are mainly used for the connection between battery modules on the DC side of the power energy storage system and the battery cluster to the battery modules. Also, the battery cluster to the energy storage converters. It is an indispensable part of the ESS, which has huge market potential. Battery storage cable uses oxygen-free copper conductor, XLPE, insulation, and sheath. Common color is orange. Rated voltage is 600 volt DC. The test voltage is 3000 volt, 5 minutes, no break. Ambient temperature from -40 degrees to 125 degrees. The range of the cross-sectional area is from 10 square meters to 120 square meters. Yeah, should you have any demands for the battery storage cables, please talk to us freely. Thank you.